They can lift up right up. I not look. I not look, make nobody see. I hear people in the car, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So here we are, Portsmouth. Meet me on the road. She can't wait till we reach home. She look a bit on the miserable side. I mean, when she start with me today, I smile pretty though. Because of Sunday. I don't know me ask her because of Sunday, you just a smile.
Because we can't help it.
I can't help it. You can't help the smile or you can't help the cute smile.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Just grab my package reach.
She a go like she shy now, I don't understand.
But shy.
Sharika, you always full of mouth, how you shy now?
That's on the phone.
That's up on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, I don't know if you all notice, most of the customers them bad on the phone. But in person, they get all shy.
Yeah.
And a pretty smile. How you day been so far? You like come and meet up on the road and get your package?
Yeah, because I did really busy. And I'm still busy. So.
You not cook today?
No, I cook, so I go back home and cook. I'm not done yet.
You not done cook? What you cook?
Chicken and rice.
I just sound like she don't want to tell me so.
Yeah, because I have a whole lot of things to do and then I have work to go, so.
You have anything you want to tell me? That's it.
Yeah, I know my customer out, but them are my company.
Why you wear your company? Tell me why.
Because from day one, I ship, you know, and affordable, and
you hear that?
It depends on how you order things them online and ship it.
Oh, so you learn the secrets?
Yeah. So,
okay. So you know to combine your.
Yeah.
So that's what you've been using?
Yeah.
Okay. Combined shipment really works. You say it save costs. You can tell them more things, I don't know. I don't know. You know the things that I
tell you.
Yeah?
There's a girl named Alia. Me.
Alia, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Who else?
And another one named Sabrina.
And Sabrina.
Another one named Judane.
And Judane.
Yeah, I introduced them shipping.
So when they must start ship? Because they start already?
Yeah.
Oh, so my memory not good.
Yeah, so them package come and stuff like that.
Alright, I'm not keep you. I'm make you go do your dinner. Pleasure. And I'm looking forward to doing more business with you.
Yeah.
If you stop this miserable on the phone, she miserably say, but we still love her. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. Have a good one. Peace out.